Hello guys, I just wanted to make a quick video on why I haven't uploaded a video for a little over 3 months, and that's because I've been very busy working so many hours and some other obligations here in the house, and also my PC started having issues like blue screens all the time, and I tried to fix my computer by watching some YouTube videos. I tried pretty much all the solutions, and nothing worked. Maybe I skipped a step, I'm not sure, but during the time I I ended up deleting all the files from the hard drive and solid state drive. So I got really frustrated and I just gave up on it. I said I'm not gonna try to fix this computer. I don't have the time. Uh, and I just, you know, I say I'm just gonna call my friend who is in IT, and I asked him if he was gonna be able to recover all the files that I deleted, and he said yeah, but it's gonna take some time because I work and so I gotta do some other stuff. I say yeah, that's fine. You can take my computer and just fix it and let me know when it's ready. So I went to his house and I dropped it off, and I'm still waiting to get my computer back. Hopefully I can get my computer back before Thanksgiving, which is around the corner. Okay, now that I have more free time, I'm gonna start uploading new videos for you guys. And I'm gonna use my laptop, which is really old. I bought this laptop back in 2006 just for gaming. I wasn't into making YouTube videos and stuff like that. So and this is the laptop right here. It's just an Alienware M15X. Okay, I know this laptop's gonna struggle to run Fusion 360 and video editing and uploading. All right, so I'm gonna try to I'll try to make short videos. Okay, this laptop, I'm gonna do some CNC programming tutorial videos. I'm gonna do more videos on vertical drilling and horizontal drilling, as well as how to program a part to use the saw blade on your HOMAG and Wiki CNC machine. Okay, I've been posting videos and photos on my Instagram account. If you want to check them out, you can just follow me there. Okay, I know I haven't uploaded a video for a little over 3 months. So despite all of that, I was able to get some subscribers, and I'm really thankful for that. And my channel is small, it's still growing, and hopefully I can get more subscribers, and I'm gonna make more videos and other things besides just CNC programming. Okay, using Fusion 360. So the last video I made was back in August. After that, I made a shorts and just uploaded a short yesterday of me working, do some work, doing some CNC programming and using AutoCAD, Fusion 360, and running the machine. So you want to check that out. It's a YouTube short video. Okay, so from from August until now, I was able to get about 18, 17 subscribers. Um, Back in August, I had 81 subscribers. Now I have 98. So I thought that I was not gonna get more subscribers because I stopped uploading videos for these 3 months. But I'm really thankful that I was able to get some subscribers. Okay, so as soon as I get my I'm gonna try to upload videos using this laptop. Okay, in the meantime, excuse me. After I get my desktop, I'm gonna upload more videos, and like I said before, now I got more free time. Okay, I've been uploading some videos on my TikTok account. It's the same name for YouTube and Instagram, so you can follow me there on TikTok if you want. Okay, guys. So that's it for this video. I just want to say thanks for watching and subscribing to my channel. I'm gonna upload a video as soon as possible using this laptop. So thank you very much for watching, and I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Peace.